a big round of applause for His Excellency. Welcome.
Go ahead.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Very much. Distinguished Chair, Excellencies, colleagues, partner, and participants. At the outset, let me express my deep appreciation to the Republic of Azerbaijan for its exceptional hospitality in this great city, Baku, and I'm sure you agree with me, it's a beautiful place. It's an honor to also give an opportunity to open this special session on housing at the center of the Global Coalition during the 15th session of the World Urban Forum. Indeed, we gather at the moment when the question of housing has become inseparable from the future of humanity itself, and the center of WOF 13, those of us from Nairobi, ambassadors, and UN Habitat, we have been discussing and deliberating this issue for a long time. Displaced by conflict and economic hardships and the global housing challenges has become one of the defining tests of our collective leadership and time. The pressure confronting our cities today, rapid urbanization, displacement, infrastructure deficits, climate vulnerability, and growing inequality do not recognize borders. The demand cooperation is practical, inclusive, sustainable. Government cannot succeed without local authority. International institutions cannot succeed without communities. And of course, a policy cannot succeed without partnership that's rich in finance, innovation, and political commitment. It needs coalition and united coalition, a united effort. That's why this session is critical and important today. From Somalia's perspective, international cooperation remains indispensable in strengthening housing system, advancing sustainable urban development. For countries emerging from fragile, rebuilding institutions, housing carries an even deeper significance. It contributes to recovery, social mobility, economic inclusion, and peace building. A well-planned settlement can reduce tension, restore confidence, and reconnect citizens to opportunity. In many ways, housing becomes a visible architecture of hope. Around the world, we have seen what determined collaboration can achieve in Rwanda and other parts of the world, Kenya, as well as Azerbaijan and other cities. Those experiences remind us that while contexts different, the principle remains universal. Sustainable housing emerges when political will is marked by cooperation, innovation, and shared responsibility. In this regard, the work of open-ended working group on adequate housing for all carries particular importance. The working group creates a platform where diverse experiences meet practical action. That has enabled member states, local authorities, experts, and stakeholders to explore lessons, identify workable approaches, and strengthen implementation of housing commitment under the new urban agenda. One of the greatest strengths of the working group process has been its inclusiveness. It recognizes the housing challenges are multidimensional. Affordability cannot be separated from land governance. Urban resilience cannot be separated from infrastructure. Climate adaptation cannot be separated from financing. And sustainable development cannot be separated from the people. Equally important, the process has reaffirmed the value of multilateralism at a time when global cooperation is often tested, as we have seen lately. It has demonstrated the partnership between government, UN agencies, financial institutions, civil societies, local communities can produce more coordinated, practical approach to housing policy. As we continue our discussion here at WOF 13, we must move beyond viewing housing as a sectoral issue. Housing must be understood as a strategic investment, stability, prosperity, and human dignity at all. The future of our cities will not be determined by the infrastructure and beautiful skylines. It also determined by whether people can live in safely, access opportunity, and feel in the urban future we are building together. Finally, given this, the expert in this room today, as well as in throughout Move 13, this session particularly will contribute to strengthening our resolve to deepen global coalition, mobilize partnerships, and support countries in building a housing system that is inclusive, resilient, and sustainable. And particularly, we're here to learn from each other. I thank you.
Thank you so much, Excellency. We are indeed here to learn from each other. Thank you so much for emphasizing the power of, that shared partnership, that shared responsibility. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. It is indeed about determined partnership. Well, let's now hear from the heart of this movement, the institutional heart of this movement. And let's welcome now Mr. Patrick Kanaga Singham, Director of the Regional